Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a foundation review, which I haven't done in like a hot minute, just because I got a sample and I thought I'd try it out. Why not? This is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation Long Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation. If you're new to my channel, I don't usually wear foundations like this. If I do wear any makeup, especially right now, I've been wearing the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint or the Au Naturel stick foundation, which are very natural. I don't need a lot of coverage. I mean, I need a lot of coverage, but I don't like a lot of coverage. I don't like feeling like there's foundation on my face, that whole situation. So it's not always my thing. But I thought I'd try it out. So I got this from Sephora when I bought this, the Rare Beauty lip balm. It's the one thing I got from Rare Beauty. But yeah, so I thought I'd try it. I got 4 shades here. They're all not that different, to be honest. How many shades do they have? Does it say? Or would I have to count? I thought it usually tells you how many colors there are. There's like a good amount, but I feel like there's a lot of mid-tones. Like there's not that many super light and there's not that many super deep. So that's what I feel like is in this. So the lightest shade that I got is 210, which is, if I can find it on the website. See, now if I were to buy this foundation or even get a sample of it at Sephora, I'd probably be 1.4 neutral, light with neutral undertones. But 210 is the lightest they give you in the sample, which is cool. So it's a medium with cool undertones, which I'm definitely more of a neutral. And this is probably going to be too dark, so we'll see. It's also supposed to be weightless, buildable, full coverage, with a natural matte finish that wears for up to 24 hours. I'm not wearing it for 24 hours. That's ridiculous. It's natural, supposed to be for all skin types, has hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate, and it's supposed to soothe and brighten the look of the skin. Mineral oil free, sulfate free, like all these other free things. It's vegan and cruelty free as well. Yeah, so it has how many stars? 4 out of 5 stars on Sephora. And I'm gonna give it a go. I hope this is enough. I mean, it is full coverage, so I'm sure I can like spread it. It's supposed to be buildable and blendable and everything. So this is so dark. Oh, I already know it's gonna be way too dark for me. So we're definitely gonna need to do some blending. It definitely seems like a pretty thick consistency. Not that you can see that. I do have a lot of acne right now. I'm breaking out a lot. I'm doing a video for Curology at the moment. So my skin's completely out of whack. I don't know if it's masks or what, but just like, I'm gonna do a nice close-up so you can see the before and after. So I guess I'll just dip my sponge in there. Normally I'd put it on the back of my hand or something, but let's do it. It's gonna be too dark, you can already see that. Let's do one side of the face first. I already feel like I have enough for the other side. Well, that's already more coverage than I'm used to. I'm used to like little to no coverage, like light tinted moisturizer level coverage. I am more dry, even though I have acne. I'm like acne prone and dry, which is like one of the worst combos in my opinion. It's not as dark as I thought it would be, but it's still definitely darker than my neck, so we're gonna have to bring that down quite a bit and then do some bronzer or something. It definitely blends okay. I'm not seeing it like cake up or bunch up or cling. And I didn't put any primer on. Normally I do, so I totally just forgot about that. I usually use the one from Glossier, the Future Dew, because it's kind of gives you a glow and helps with hydration. But so this is the after on this side. What are we thinking? I think it definitely calmed down some like shine. The color, like I said, obviously, but I think they have my color, just not in this little sample I got. This sample does have enough in it, especially since it's full coverage. Okay, so it definitely like evened out a lot. I definitely did more of like the thinnest coverage. Like I'm sure you could build it, like it says buildable. I'm sure you could build it to full if that's what you want. It seems to be clinging a little right here. These zits I have here are like healing, so they're like dry, flaky. So it's kind of clinging there, but you can see it's a bit too dark, right? Can you see that? I hope you can see that. I know this isn't like a new foundation or anything, so it's like weird that I'm reviewing it, but I don't know. I asked you guys actually on like Instagram if you wanted to see a review, and 100% of you said yes, so I'm doing it. It feels okay on the skin. It doesn't feel like heavy or masky or dry. it lets enough of my skin through that it looks like natural. It definitely is a natural matte. I wouldn't even say matte, I'd just kind of say natural, like satin. You can definitely still see, you know, like the scar, the redness over here, because these are like really aggravated. It doesn't feel like it's totally matte to the touch, like like if I rubbed white on it or hugged someone with a t-shirt, I do think it would transfer, but it's not tacky either. So I'm gonna put the rest of my makeup on and check back, see how everything else applied. I wanted to show you while I'm in the middle of putting my makeup on, I got the Soul Body, what is it called? Face and Body Bronzing Balm. I got light. It's a little warmer than I expected it to be. I expected it to be a lot more neutral. I have swatched it and it's really pretty and soft, and I just am really excited to use it. I'm all about the cream products. It smells like, it definitely has fragrance. It smells like sunscreen or like pineapple, mango kind of. It's really nice, but we're gonna try it with the same sponge. Not too bad. It definitely doesn't look as orange on the skin as it does in here. Not orange, it just looks like, well, it kind of does look orange. It's blending pretty nice. I feel like you probably could do a nice contour if you use like your fingers. Creamy. I hope it lasts. Like I hope it doesn't dry out. Like I had that Chanel one at one point and it just seemed like it would like crumble and like get dried out easy. It's nice though. I mean, I know I'm in a bright light or whatever, but I like that. I would totally use that. Not bad at all. Okay, I just wanted to let you know in case you were interested in that too. So I finished all of my makeup and it's starting to look a little bit makeup-y, to be honest, and I'm kind of bummed out. So from a distance it looks nice. It's clear that I'm wearing makeup though. Like I feel like down here by my mouth, which is where I tend to get dry, you can see the product. Like it doesn't look super flaky, but I feel like it will get that way. I feel like in my laugh lines or on my mouth or on my nose, like all right in this area is where it's gonna start breaking apart and not looking so great. So I'm already like not feeling great about it. And I don't know if obviously a lot of you guys may just be here for this review, but I normally don't do like week-long reviews because especially on foundation, if I don't like something the first day, I'm not gonna like it. Like that's just how it is. And I can already feel like I'm not gonna like it just with these scars here. Not a fan. It doesn't feel tight, but it definitely feels like I have something on my face, which I'm not a fan of. When I look up really close with my mirror, it just does not look good around that area. I feel like it got more matte, which is weird. I feel like normally when you apply a matte foundation, it looks flat, and then it kind of like your oils break through and it looks good, but maybe because my skin is dry, it looks not as good. It's settling into the wrinkles in my forehead. I feel like if you have more oily skin, you'll probably like this quite a bit, and definitely not wearing it for the whole day. I think I'm gonna go out to the store later. I'm gonna have to wear a mask, so I might take it off even before that because I don't want to wear a mask on top of this. But yeah, I mean, it looks nice on camera, and I'm probably gonna film another video because it does look nice. Like I do feel like it's not super flat, you know, but at the same time, it's definitely not something I'm gonna purchase, especially with the price tag. I think it's like 40 bucks. So yeah. Okay, so it's now 7 o'clock at night and I applied the foundation at 1 p.m. I only kept it on for about 2 hours. I filmed some videos and stuff, and I forgot to like show what it looked like after 2 hours. I was filming and I just felt very uncomfortable. I felt like it just didn't feel good. It felt very tight and dry right like in this area, and when I looked up close, especially in the sunlight, it looked terrible. Like on camera it can work because of lighting and everything, but it just looked so bad right here, like so bad. Like I would have been embarrassed if I was out and went to the bathroom and saw that. Like it was so bad. So I'm gonna completely say no to this. I took it all off before I went out to the store and wore a mask. Maybe it was like the sample's old, I don't know. Even if I wanted full coverage product or more coverage than what I normally wear, it wouldn't be with that. Like I have so many other options I've tried in the past that I would prefer, or even things I have now that I could build up with like concealer. So this is gonna be a pass for me, honestly. I'm gonna give it like a 2 out of 5. It's like, there's worse things, but it's really not that great, especially for the price. If you want a drugstore alternative, something that's kind of medium to full coverage from the drugstore, the Maybelline Matte and Poreless is not cruelty-free, but it was one of my favorites back in the day when I had more oily and acne-prone skin. It was just so good. It was like such a natural finish, but so much coverage and buildable, and it looked so good on the skin. Another cheaper alternative for something that's more full coverage, what is it? It's CoverGirl, so you know it's cruelty-free. Ooh, I cannot remember the name of it. I'll put it on the screen here because I just can't remember what it is right now. But that one's a better alternative too if you want like something that's cruelty-free at the drugstore that is like more good coverage. But yeah, so this is a no. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any other kind of reviews you want me to do, let me know in a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!